Hey everyone, I'm the Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W18A for Java Edition. This snapshot introduced some gameplay changes and world generation changes, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. Infested blocks, which house silverfish and strongholds and extreme hills biomes, are no longer instantly destroyed. Instead, they have half the destroy time of the non-infested block. This will prevent players from easily angering silverfish, as the blocks are no longer instantly destroyed. Also, in a previous snapshot, players in adventure mode could still interact with candles. However, this bug has been fixed in this version. Additionally, Spore Blossom blocks could not be waterlogged in previous versions, but this newest snapshot has prevented you from clicking on Spore Blossom blocks in water at all. Screaming goats in this version will use their ram attack more often than other non-screaming goats in the world. This means that if you hear a goat scream and start charging, you should probably move away from it as fast as you can. There were also a few issues relating to piglins in the previous snapshots. One bug involved the fact that piglins were not attracted to a block of raw gold and were not angered while mining a block of raw gold. However, this bug has been changed in this version. And mob deaths in the previous snapshots did not show death particles, which is the smoke that appears after killing a mob, but this bug has been fixed in this version. In this new snapshot, ore distribution has yet again been tweaked. Copper spawns have been reduced and large ore veins are slightly rarer in the world. Additionally, the chance of finding raw ore blocks in ore veins has been increased, and deep sleep blobs are no longer spawning over y=0. A bug was found last week in which the last use of an anvil causes the player to drop their item on the ground, but this bug has been fixed in the snapshot, so now the item will go straight to your inventory. Also, when closing the inventory while holding an item with the cursor in a creative inventory, the item would disappear in previous snapshots. However, this bug has yet again been fixed in this latest release. And that is all for this snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please drop a like and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. This snapshot was short, but if you'd like to read the full snapshot article page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to mess around with the new screaming goats with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm the Terrain. Peace out.